Hello, and welcome to our Christmas home tour. Come on in. Blue, bring him in. Hello, and welcome to our home. I thought today that I would just do a little home tour while it's all festive and decorated for Christmas. This is my favorite time of year. If you know me, you know that, and this is when my house is our favorite. I mean, I love our house all year round in my decor, but thought I would share my Christmas decor. So, starting with the living room, we have the entryway table, and this was tricky for me. I thought that I wanted to do just a forest of flocked trees, but then that was kind of overwhelming. So I went with this more simple, different textures, and what would you, textures and trees and elements, woods, those kinds of things. So that's the entryway. And we also have a little village beneath, which I can show in B-roll. Okay, so here is our first tree. Yes, that's right, our first tree. Our main tree is over there. We'll get to that. This tree is one that, if you were following when Adam and I lived in the basement apartment, I got it on Facebook Marketplace, and last year we used it as our main tree. So yeah, it's just kind of an extra because its lights were out. We needed something a little grander. We found a good deal, so we upgraded. But we still wanted this tree. I still wanted this tree, so we have two trees. And then the picture ledge wall. If I was really crazy, I would do all Christmas pictures. But I'm not that crazy yet. So we just have a wreath, which is really cute from Target, and I love it. And moving on to the main living area, I kept it pretty simple over here. Just have some pine cones in the center wood tray, which I really like. We did our flocked garland over the TV stand. My dream one day is to have a mantle and a fireplace at Christmas time. Just seems super cozy. But this is kind of just what I did. This garland is the, I don't know, what would you call this, knitted bell garland. It's from Hobby Lobby, and I just layered those together and think that it looks nice, so. All right, now the main event, our main tree. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? This is a 7.5 foot flocked pre-lit tree with pine cones from Walmart, and Adam let us get it this year, and I'm very happy about it. So yes, she is just an elegant dream. We really are bougie only right here in this tree with this little bit of sparkles and some velvet and rich. What are you doing, sir? You're stealing my attention. I'm pretty obsessed with it, Adam. You like it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Okay. Now to the dining room. Kept it pretty simple in here. The main thing in the dining room is the tablescape, which I really just wanted to do a classic White House village. I don't know. We don't do a ton of meals in here, so I thought this would be nice. All the houses are from Target, and we're just gonna pretend that this one is warm and not cool. That really bugs me that it's a cool light in there. We just won't turn that one on. It's fun. And then I have a few trees in here. I have this flocked one in a thrift store basket, and then one on the bar cart as well. No. Sit. Blue got this toy back when we got all our Christmas stuff out. Stop. And he thought it was Christmas. He was
Blue
so
drop.
excited about it.
Lay down.
Okay, you stay there. Okay, now moving on to the kitchen. Last year, if you watched our decorate for Christmas, you know that our kitchen was not done. It got done for my birthday, and decorating it this year was so much fun because it's so much happier in here. So come on in. Welcome to my kitchen. These open shelves were so fun for me to decorate. I just feel like they're simple but cute and festive. This is my favorite thing that I did. I got this idea from Pinterest, as I do most of my ideas, but I just thought it was really cute and simple and didn't feel like a super cluttered way to do the shelves. I don't know, wanted to change it up. But otherwise my Christmas decor is basically trees. So same as my fall is pumpkins, and in Christmas it's just a bunch of trees. So. And this garland above the mirror is just stems from Hobby Lobby that I put into place and taped on there, so hopefully it stays all season long, but we'll see. Yeah. And I think that's pretty much it for this home tour. I do have some decor in my office, and we have some in our bedroom. Oh wait, I did want to show the hall bath. Okay, this is the hall bath. I don't know when the last time we showed it to you guys was, but it's gotten some upgrades. There's not actually a shower behind us yet, but we just thought the curtain made it look nice. So I did a few touches of decor in here. I have this garland here from Hobby Lobby, and then we decorated our open shelves that we have over the toilet. So forgot to mention that we have wreaths on the door going upstairs, and turn around, picture by JCJ, and a wreath going into our guest bedroom. I also semi-decorated for Christmas. Just some trees on end table, snowman, blankets and pillows, and a garland around the window. Are we having guests? No. We won't be having anybody stay with us, but it's nice. Blue likes it in here, so it's decorated for him. Don't mind those tags sticking out over there. That's because we got new pillows and they don't have pillowcases yet. Blue, what are you doing? So if you want to come stay with us at Christmas. Alright, and that concludes my Christmas home tour. I did not show you guys the whole house. So if you would like to see our whole home tour, because I think the last time we did a full home tour was when this house was empty, before it was painted and decorated and stuff. It looked great. So if you want to see a full home tour, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, because otherwise, I don't know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your theme for Christmas is, or what your favorite part of my decor was. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Stick around and subscribe if you aren't already, because we will be doing our weekly vlogs this December. And we got a lot of fun stuff going on, right, Blue? He gets an advent calendar that he's excited about because he gets a treat every day, right? Okay. Alright. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and